Hi, we're just going to customize your freebies from the Canva starter pack. So this is our LinkedIn banner. We just click on Use Template for New Design, and that opens in your Canva account. This is a copy, so that's okay. We're not using the original. We're just going to triple click on this, and we're just going to call it whatever we like to call it. We'll just say for now, Sue LinkedIn. We're just so you've got your own copy there. Okay, so here we're just going to triple click on that, and then we'll just type in our name, surname, or business name. Now down here, I'm not going to put my phone number on here on my LinkedIn, so I'll just backspace that away there. For email, I'm going to just highlight that. I always have a shortcuts sheet. So this is a Google sheet, and we're just going to go over here, and I'm going to copy and go back over to Canva. Oh, that went off there. We're just going to paste. So it's actually, and you just do a little space. To save you typing, retyping, all that, just go to your shortcut sheet and copy, back over to Canva, paste. Okay, and because it's set up like that, it will align itself on the right hand side. Okay, so here we have completed that. We're going to share, top right hand corner, download. If your LinkedIn is actually connected to your Canva account, which you can do, you can actually go straight into that. Otherwise, you would just download it. And here it actually has been sized to suit the LinkedIn banner, which is awesome. So just download. And that's it for there.